Hey guys, I just decided to pop on Facebook Live. I'm actually in crazy cleaning lady mode. I don't know how many of you guys have that when people are coming over to your house where then it's like, okay, I have to clean everything in my house and pretend that it always looks this clean, even though I have a 9-year-old who likes to have toys everywhere and 2 dogs and 2 cats, so it's usually not super clean, but it's clean enough. Anyway, we live here, so it's life. But I was just thinking about how easy it has become for us to be toxin free in our cleaning, and I just wanted to share that, what I use and how easy it is to use. So what I have been using for like 2.5 years now is just this one cleaner called Thieves all-purpose cleaner. Household cleaner. It is super diluted, so you buy it in this little bottle, and then I use a capful and I make a spray bottle with it. So I put like 1 capful of this concentrated stuff in, and then I add the rest with water, and I use this for a spray bottle. And I also use 1 capful in my bucket, which my bucket's not super pretty or anything, but you know, a bucket, right? And so I do 1 capful of this stuff in either a whole bucket for doing like my floors, for dusting, for wiping my counters. I use the spray on my windows, on my counters, on my toilets, on my shower. I literally use this one cleaner for everything. For my toilets, I will put a capful of this cleaner in with some washing soda or borax, depending on what I have on hand. Those are 2 non-toxic things that you can get in the cleaning aisle at your store. So I'll put that in there and let it sit in there for like the 30 minutes that it takes me to clean my bathroom. And then I just use the toilet brush, and that cleans my toilets perfectly without any chemicals. The awesome part about this cleaner is it is all plant-based. It is all plant-based materials. There is no poison control label on here because honestly, if your kids drink it, some kids do. I don't recommend it, but your kids are going to be fine. Like, it's fine for pets. It's fine for babies. Your kids can clean with you without having to wear a mask or gloves or anything. And like I said, you know, your kids, if they accidentally drink it, you don't need to worry about anything. This cleaner is just the best. So you can literally have just this 1 bottle of cleaner and a bucket and, you know, a spray bottle or something, and you're good to go toxin free in 1 easy step. The other thing that, sorry, my dog's excited about something. Jack! Shh! Jack! Sorry, you know, live videos. Anyway, I've totally lost my train of thought. So this one cleaner can replace all of your other cleaners, and you don't have to lock under your sink anymore because it's completely safe and plant-based. Oh, that's what I was going to say. The other really awesome thing is that it's filled with really amazing essential oils. Essential oils that have super cool cleaning properties like antimicrobial, antibacterial, all those antis that you really want. And it smells amazing. It smells like Christmas. If you've never smelled Thieves oil, that's what's in it, and also lemon. It just smells so good. So when you're cleaning your house, you're also getting that really good smell that you like without harmful chemicals. So that is my tip. I need to get back to cleaning my house because I'm having a big party this weekend and I want to have it clean for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed learning about Thieves. If you want to know more about how you can order it, just message me. It's super easy, super economical. This bottle is $22 wholesale, and you can make about, I believe it's like 15 or 16 of this size spray bottles. So this bottle usually lasts me 4 months or so. It is very economical. It ends up working out, I want to say, to like $2 a bottle, which is cheaper than any of the organic cleaners at the grocery store. So, all right, bye guys. Love you. Have a great day.